Good afternoon, everyone. Today in the Discord pre-market, I sent a picture of my high time frame charts. Looks like this. So I have this daily volume imbalance highlighted here. I have this daily wick broke down into octants. I'll talk more about that in a minute. So yeah, I was expecting a little bit of a retracement and then a run to all new all-time highs, like I said right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the trades today. So the market opened. We had already taken out all overnight liquidity. We took out London lows, Asia lows. So I was very very bullish going into the morning. Right at about 9 o'clock, price ripped down on NQ and ES, and we made a session SMT with yesterday's New York AM session. So what that means is ES took out the New York AM session low and NQ did not. So immediately I'm bullish off rip. Market opens, we come up here, we run above this new week opening gap. I'm looking to get into the market. Price is running higher, it's looking very strong. Bit of a mental mistake. I didn't look at the news that was coming out today, and we had ISM manufacturing PMI, which is a high impact news driver coming out. So before news drivers like that, oftentimes they will kind of keep price in the same range until the news driver drops, and then they'll take it higher. So why is this SIBI highlighted right here? Well, if we go back over to the daily chart, you see I have this wick broke down into octants. Let's go down into a 1 minute. That imbalance, that sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, overlaps perfectly with this upper octant. Now I want you to notice on these lower time frames how we react in the higher time frame confluences. So this is a 1 minute reacting to these daily levels. You see here, this is the upper quadrant of that daily wick. Almost stops at the tick. We also have this hourly inversion or value gap here that stops price in its tracks. So let's go back over to this. So we get above this new week opening gap here. I'm wanting to get into the market. I'm wanting to go long because I'm expecting these London highs and at least these relative equal highs in the pre-market to be taken. So I'm a bit aggressive. I get in there. We create the first fair value gap here, 946, and then we kind of roll over, get stopped out for just minus 12 handles or something like that. So I wait till the 10 o'clock macro, wait till the news driver comes out, and come down here and make equal lows. I don't love that. I would have rather we took out this low. Same thing on ES. We were just kind of hanging around here. So I called out in Discord to enter here with the stop loss down here, but it just ran away. I was expecting price to react aggressively after the news driver, so I moved my entry to up here to this fair value gap and my stop loss right down here. It took a little bit of heat, but I wasn't really too worried. I was pretty bullish. I wasn't loving this price action at all in here. Very messy. You see all these candlesticks overlapping each other. That is pretty treacherous to sit through. So I was anticipating to at least get up to this first fair value gap, which is where I took profits. I know I said that pre-market I was wanting to take new all-time highs, taking these London highs. Why was I wanting that? So let's go back over here to this daily chart. We've been ripping higher for a very long time. Price is extremely bullish right now. and it's exactly what we did. We came back down into this volume imbalance here, reacted out of it perfectly, and then ripped higher to take these relative equal highs on the hourly and these London high. So why did I take profits where I did? For one, we created these relative equal lows right here, and that's a huge pool of liquidity in all of this trend line liquidity with back and forth candles that are laying inside of each other. A lot of liquidity lies in there, and at this time, the 11 o'clock macro is coming around. We easily could have come down in here, took out these lows, took out anybody that's in the marketplace wanting price to go higher, and at 11:30 we could have ripped higher. So I wanted to secure profits. If I didn't already lose this trade, probably would have just kept my stop at break even and held all day. But as you can see here, my initial anticipation was correct. We took out these London highs, created new all-time highs. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. It's gonna happen sometimes. You're just gonna leave profits on the table, and that's okay. Wasn't super confident in this price action at this point in the day. I already took a loss. Didn't feel super in tune with price. Came out with 62 handles or so. I think it's about $1,200. So not a bad trade one bit. Sucks I left profits on the table, but it's part of it. I'm not gonna top tick and bottom tick the market every single day. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Check out the Discord if you want to be getting these notifications live. So thank you. Have a good rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.